Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick and easy dessert recipe. So let's make some yummy chocolate custard delight. It's a great eggless dessert recipe. Let me show you how to make it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and push on the notification bell. In a pan, add 2 cups of milk and half cup of cream. You can use any cream, thick cream, fresh cream, heavy cream, whatever you have on hand. Next, add in 1/3 cup of sugar and mix well. You can taste and adjust the sweetness later. Now add in 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder and with the help of a whisk, mix everything well until no lumps are remaining. Next, add 4 tablespoons of custard powder in half cup of milk. Mix well and add it to the saucepan. Keep whisking while you add the custard mixture to avoid forming any lumps. When the mixture starts to thicken up, take it out in a bowl, set the custard aside and let it cool down. Now with a double boiling method, melt 900 grams of chocolate. I used Galaxy chocolate. You can use any chocolate you like. Add 3 tablespoons of cream and 1/3 cup of milk and mix well. Now take your serving dish and add some crushed biscuits as a base and then pour the chocolate custard on top. Lastly, layer it with the melted Galaxy chocolate mixture that we prepared. Now you can place some Oreos on top and sprinkle some crushed biscuits and finish it off with some chocolate syrup, or you can decorate it however you like. Make sure to whisk the custard before pouring it into the serving dish just to get that smooth consistency. Once the dessert's ready, cover and chill in the fridge for a few hours and then serve. Yummy chocolate custard delight is ready. It's such an easy recipe. It tastes incredible and you need only simple ingredients to make it. So make sure you do give this easy dessert recipe a try. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking!